Hi. This is Dougles Chan, Qimen Dunjia teacher. Welcome to the video again on direct wealth tutorial number 2. So this tutorial number 2 for direct wealth, we're looking at somebody who is born in 1991 and apparently currently he should be around 30 years old. So we are looking at the person who is a day stamp, which is G over here, one is G over here, one is G over here. So box number 2 tell us the stage 1, box number 7 tell us the stage 2. That means if you were to divide the person into two halves of their section, that means one is the beginning, one is the later part of their life, which is about after 40 years old. So in this case, this person is currently in box number 2. Okay, so this is the situation for this person. So now in this situation, what we need to know is that today is talking about this direct wealth. So direct wealth equates to business. So business is livestock. Livestock, the associated symbols beside, that's a 9 heaven, that's an advisor, and then it together in the box number 9, which is stand for very good, lavatory in terms of the category. So it's going to tell us that this person, in terms of the luck energy for the direct wealth in business, is going to be extremely high. When I say extremely high, means really millions and millions and millions of dollars, those type, whereby this is the energy of this person. So, but having said that, we also have to understand that this person, does he got the luck to acquire such kind of things, you see? So if you look at box number 9, this is a fire box. This is fire box. And then this box 2 itself is actually a earth box. So in the theory of this 5 element, the fire actually enhance or produce the earth, so which means that box 9 actually produced himself. So in this situation is actually a good situation whereby the extreme business luck or energy is coming to him without him doing anything. But there's a condition. Condition is that if he were to do business, but if he does not do business, then it's a different story altogether. Then this will not really matter so much anymore. That means there will be a wastage in this aspect. But as we go along, if you see, this is him after that, 40 years old. His character changes a lot already. So in this case, the business, supposedly to be very good when he's younger, actually box 9 and box 7, fire clash with the metal. So in such cases, we can jolly well say that the affinity with the business in terms of high volume, high sales, high profitability is no longer there anymore. So which means that if he were to continue to do business, he will definitely make a loss, and he will not even have the affinity in this area anymore. So in this case, we will actually advise him not to go into business in this kind of age and do something else, you see. So of course there are also other ways of doing things. The question is what level are we talking about? What areas of interest are they interested in, you see. So in this particular case itself, this person in the beginning, they will have a lot of good energy, good luck in doing business, provided they are doing business. And as we go along, after stage 1, when he goes to stage 2, this person will not enjoy the luck of this business anymore. So which means that he cannot and should not do business at all, you see. So everyone will have their own energy and luck in this aspect, and I can tell you it's very, very accurate. So much so is that we are able to craft out a good path for anybody who is open enough to look at their chart. Once we look at the chart, we know what is the best for them. But having said that, we also have, there's another thing we need to understand. A chart is still a chart. It's actually a big picture of what's really happening. But ultimately, it does not automatically mean that if this luck is good, if this person luck is good, it doesn't mean that they will definitely will make money in business. It's a matter of whether they want to do business. If they choose not to do business, then ultimately it will not be working. it will not work at all. So there's a human touch involved. That means human factor involved. The human will also decide whether is it going to be that case. If not, then even the chart said so, it will not happen. You see, so there's a human factor involved also. So anyhow, that will be all for this case study for the direct wealth tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video.